beside my head. You were always down for it. Get in this getaway and we run from it. Yeah, you were always down for it. Get in this getaway and we run from it. You're giving me the coldest stare, like you don't even know I'm here. Why don't we turn the leaf? Why don't we turn the? Why don't we turn the leaf? Why don't we turn the? You're giving me the coldest stare, like you don't even know I'm here. Why don't we turn the leaf? Why don't we turn the? Why don't we turn the leaf? Why don't we turn the? What you've done, you can't keep inside. By the end of the night, I'll help you confide. Cause I can see inside yourself. Cause I can see you're not being yourself. Cause usually you're down for it. Can't hold back a smile when you try for it. Yeah, cause usually you're down for it. Can't hold back a smile when you try for it. You're giving me the coldest stare, like you don't even know I'm here. Why don't you let me see? Why don't you let me? Why don't you let me see? Why don't you let me? You're giving me the coldest stare, like you don't even know I'm here. Why don't you let me see? Why don't you let me? Why don't you let me see? Why don't you let me? Whatever you've done, however bad, hold on, hold on, hold on. Whatever you've done, however bad, hold on, hold on, hold on. Whatever it is, however bad, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Why don't? So young, so how are you to know? No, no. You're a carrier of the light inside of you. Glows green in the pitch black night, night, night. Can't tell anyone is hurting you. So hold it in, cover up, pull up your sheets, your sheets. A torpedo cruising in the ocean, and soon it's due. So I got to sit up, up, for my heart to come down, 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 down. So I got to sit up, 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 for my heart to come down, 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 down. The ghoulish entities, they come floating through the walls. Ghostly enemies, they come floating through your door. And the ghoulish entities, they come floating through the wall. From the past, and there's someone right before you, like the ghost of Christmas past. I was always floating around, say, go with the flow without ever knowing where I wanna be. So I go into crazy situations. A loyal a soldier who acts, but never asks. Why am I flying on my back, with the moon looking down, 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 down? Where's my bed? Where's anything?